Hey guys, it's your girl Taya Marin, and I'm back with another fun neon makeup look. So just stay tuned and watch how I achieve this look. To hydrate my skin, I'm going to go in with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I really like this moisturizer. It's my first time trying it, but so far so good. And same for the MAC Prep and Prime Base Cream. It's my first time trying it, but so far I really like it. And then I'm going to go in with my black Opal foundation stick in the shade Cashew. I'm just going to apply the foundation directly to my skin, and this is pretty much almost a perfect match. I really like just rubbing it along my face because this will really help warm up the foundation that will get it ready for blending. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. buffing brush and just slowly blending this out until I get it really smooth and skin-like. If you prefer, you can use your damp beauty blender to buff this out. I just sometimes think it's easier with stick foundations to buff it out with a brush and then go over it with your blender after. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this has really become one of my favorite concealers. It works with almost every foundation I've used it with so far, so I really recommend this product. As you guys know, I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and blend out both sides at the same time. So I just move back and forth to blend that out, and then I'll go blend out my forehead and my nose, above my lip, and my chin. My first time using this combo, and I'm really liking it so far. It's really giving me that natural skin look that I really like and that I wanted for this look. And now I'm going to go in with my black Opal foundation stick in Truly Topaz for my contour, and I'm just taking a small fluffy buffing brush and buffing out my contour instead of drawing it directly on my skin, because again, I want this to look like a really nice soft natural look, so the focus is on the lip and the eyeliner. And same thing for my nose contour. I'll just take a fluffy brush and kind of add it from the tip of my eyebrow all the way down the sides of my nose. This just really gives you that natural shadow instead of being able to see where the contour line starts and stops. I'm going to spray with my NYX Matte Setting Spray and let that really soak in before I go in with my Born This Way Translucent Powder from Too Faced and add that under my eyes and all of the areas that I highlighted. Now I'm going in with my NYX Micro HD Brow Pencil. As you guys know, this is my favorite brow pencil. And just going to make small, light strokes until I get it where I want it to be. And y'all, please don't judge my eyebrows. They're looking real wild these days. I haven't gotten them done in a very long time. I usually just pluck them and draw them in when I'm going somewhere, which is usually never. So that's just why they look so wild. So just disregard them. And I'm just going to go in with a very little bit of the Too Faced concealer and clean them up, because this concealer goes a long way with just a little bit, and I don't want to pack on under my eyebrows with too much concealer. So I use a very small amount to clean it up. And I've been getting so many compliments on my nail color, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's a Gelish. I think that's the brand, Gelish. And the shade is Cotton Candy, which I don't know why it's called Cotton Candy because it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but it's popping anyway. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Pretty Rich Diamond Light palette, and when I tell you guys, this palette is so to give you guys more looks with this palette. But for now, I'm going in with a neutral shade called It's Cashmere and just rubbing that through the crease of my lid and a little bit all over. This is just to add a little bit of color and depth because I really want the focus to be on the eyeliner and the lip shade. So just doing something kind of neutral today. And just for a little bit of glow, not too much, I'm going to go in with the shade Don't Care at All and just pack it onto my lid for a little bit of shimmer. Then I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Oh That's Rich into my crease just to darken it up just a little bit, and I'm blending it out with the same brush I used with the first crease shade, just because I want it all to blend together. I don't want it to be like a full-blown smoky eye or anything like that, so just blending it out until I get it soft and neutral like I want it. Going in with the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in medium dark and just packing this into the areas that I highlighted, so under my eyes, above my forehead and my nose, and a little bit on my cheek. This is just to add a little bit of color back into my face and remove any type of flashback that I may have gotten from my translucent powder. Going in with my other MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Give Me Sun, and this is more like a bronzer, and I really love this bronzer because it gives me that really golden glow that looks like a real tan. Going in with my Too Faced highlighter. I can't remember which housewife came out with this line, but I absolutely love this highlighter. Like, it is so beautiful. The camera just doesn't do it any justice. I'm also going to add a little bit of highlighter into my tear duct for extra glow before I go in with my Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner in the shade Cobalt. And this is a matte finish, which I really love, but I love Marc Jacobs eyeliner. They are so poppin' and pigmented, and I mean, just look at it. It's so bomb. Now, since I'm out here looking crazy, I'm about to add my lashes from S&S Glamour. They are mink lashes in the style Drama Queen. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe matte lipstick in the shade Tease. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lip liner to pair with this, so I had to line my lips on my own, which was kind of a fail, but it still came out popping. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did creating it. If you guys decide to recreate this look, just make sure to tag me at Taya Marin Beauty on Instagram. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I love this fun look. I just feel like a spicy mommy, you know? And it's just so poppin'. Like, what more can you say? But anyway, tag me guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.